What to do when your scarf is too short and you ran out of yarn? Should we panic? I said not. Let's try something different. I'm making 1 by 1 rib stitch, which is 1 knit, 1 purl, and every 10 rows I made all knit stitches. This pattern looks kind of like bamboo. It's super easy to make, fast stitch, but I do not have enough yarn to make it long scarf. So there must be a way to have a short one. But I still want it tied around my neck. So I removed few rows and now I will be connecting the last binding of row to my ridge stitch. By doing that, I will create a little pocket on one side of my scarf, and I will take the other end and slit it through. This will allow me to wear this scarf around my neck without worry that it's too short. Just like that. So let's do that. This will be super simple because I will be just binding off stitches and connecting to my ridge stitch at the same time. So I'm picking up the first stitch of my ridge and I put on my left needle. I will take my other needle, put through both stitches, and just make regular bind off stitch. So you're putting yarn through both stitches. Now with my right needle, I pick up the next stitch from my ridge, move to my left needle. I will work these 2 stitches together. So I knit 2 together, and then I will move my previous stitch, pass over to the left, just like that. So I will always have 1 stitch on my right needle, and I will pick up 1 stitch from the ridge, from the middle of the scarf. So once again, I'm picking up 1 stitch, moving to the left needle, working those 2 stitches together, and I'm using knit stitch. Once I'm done, I will pass over the previous stitch from my right needle around the new stitch, just like regular binding off. And I will repeat the same process for every stitch. And you can see the little pocket is being created. I want this to be invisible on the right side, so you cannot even see that something behind the scarf is being created. So once again, 2 together, pass over to the left, and again pick up 1 stitch, 2 together, regular binding off. And also you're creating very nice chain look like design on the left side, or you can wear it on the right side if you want. Last few stitches to go and we will be done. And last one. That's the last stitch. And let's try if our scarf will pass through this opening, and I'm sure it will. It's large enough, so it will be easy to slit in. So that's my left side. I can put my hand through and take the other side of the scarf to pull it through. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope this information was helpful. Let me know if you ever tried this method. So next time when your scarf is too short, make this instead. It works. Let me show you how. You pull your scarf through, you tie it around your neck, and looks like you have longer scarf. What do you think? I like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.